So when you stub your toe, for example, you send this pain signal, goes up to the brain, and the brain doesn't necessarily immediately interpret that I stubbed my toe. Oh no, we're dying. Send an immune response. We need epinephrine. We need to have some adrenaline. We need to be able to run or fight. Like we're fighting for our lives right here, right? And so, and then your brain can process, well, I stubbed my toe, but all of a sudden those signals have already been sent. So your body starts ramping up, your peroxisomes to produce histamine. It starts doing these responses, right? Well, so CBG actually goes in and inhibits an over signal. It inhibits the ability for your body to freak out and say, I'm dying. Instead, all of a sudden it's like, no, it's okay, relax. I mean, this is the craziest thing. When we talk about THC and people who we'd call traditional users who are like, hey man, just chill down, right? What cannabinoids mostly do in the endocannabinoid receptor system is they chill down body responses that happen. So if I'm having a pain response, my body no longer interprets that I'm dying and I have to fight or flight. It just says, look, you stubbed your toe, things are cool. We don't need to have your heart racing 1,000,000 miles a minute. We don't need to send epinephrine through your whole system, right?
I describe this with patients as the difference between pain control and suffering control.